Yo guys, kami ang PK. Ako si Denver.
Ako si RJ.
Ngayon, pababa kami ngayon ng laboratory. Silipin natin. Samahan nyo. Gengo. Yo guys, dito na kami sa laboratory.
Question number 1. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory? I'm excited to try this laboratory because it offers hands-on opportunity to apply theoretical knowledge to the real-world scenario.
Question number 2. What skills do you expect to gain from this lab? From this lab, I expect to gain practical skills in applying theoretical knowledge, improving problem-solving abilities, learning how to use laboratory tools and equipment properly.
How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career? These skills will really prepare me sa totoong challenges ng criminology field. Makakatulong ito para maging confident ako sa pag-handle ng mga investigation work. Ma-strength ang professionalism ko at mas ma-enhance yung ability ko to make objective decision. In the future, sobrang importante ng mga skills na to dahil kung gusto kong mapursyo ang career sa law enforcement or forensics investigation o kahit anong related field na kailangan ng integrity, accuracy, at competence.